What's up, berries? It's Heyyy Berry here, and as you can see, I'm over Invisalign. I'm over it. This is over it, and I'm like here. I'm over it. Let's do a little recap, okay? Just in case you are new to here, hey, you can subscribe if you want to. I've been wearing Invisalign since January 2019. It's been over 2 years. I'm almost done paying off all the Invisalign. The Invisalign treatment was about $5,300. I was supposed to have been done last December, but no. Let me tell you about my last 2 appointments. The first appointment was maybe a month ago, maybe 6 weeks ago, and it was this new dentist, and he shaved in between my bottom teeth because they were just like close, and they're starting to like grow. As y'all will see the visuals, obviously I'll put it up. My middle teeth was just like shifting up, like they got tall on me. And I was like, okay, so he just like shaved in between. Mind you, I don't know this man, like this is a new dentist. I'm just like, okay. He shaved in between. He said, okay, your teeth are looking good. Make sure you still rub your rubber bands. I had worn my rubber bands in like a week. That's how over I am of these Invisaligns, but that's not good advice. Always wear your rubber bands. But anyway, so he like, all right, I'm gonna give you, let's say, 7 more trays and be back. So 7 trays exalted. I went there to the next appointment. This was like 2 weeks ago. So I'm like, okay, y'all, how long this gonna last? How many more trays do I have? And she's like, yeah, I'm seeing like 20 more trays. That's 20 more weeks, y'all. What's that? 4, 8, 12, 16, 18. No, 16, 20. That's 5 more months. That's gonna be almost 3 years. My math is trash today. Almost 3 years wearing Invisaligns, wearing this plastic that I have to put in my mouth. I can't even chew gum. Like, I gotta take it off, eat, like put it back on. So I lose these trays. They be out on the floor. Like, it just be everywhere. These trays be everywhere, and I'm just so sick of it. I just went with my retainer at night, and that's it. Going back to my last appointment. So I'm like, okay. So she's like, how you feel about your teeth? I'm like, the top is nice, but my bottom ones, I got these 2 tall teeth. And yeah, and my bite is just, it cannot close because them teeth are tall. I can't close my mouth with no tall teeth in the middle. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it just makes a barrier to close down. So it's like my back jaws does not close down because those teeth up front are just long. So are y'all gonna shave that down too? The doctor comes, and this is the same doctor from last time. This is not my original doctor. He comes and he said, yeah, everything is looking good. I'm just gonna give you, I think he said like 12 more trays. He gave me a nice amount of trays this time. 12 more trays, and we'll see you back in May. I said, all right, I'm gonna keep wearing these trays. I'm gonna keep switching them out every 2 weeks. I mean, every week. I'll switch them out every Monday. But then I was talking to the assistant, and I'm like, where's the other doctor? So the other doctor is who I met with 2 years ago, back in January when I first got my Invisalign, told me to pull my tooth out, gave me this whole plan, la 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 la. She said,
oh, doctor.
Let's just say his name, Dr. Shark.
Dr. Shark?
I said, yeah, what happened to Dr. Shark? She was like,
he's no longer with us.
I'm like, ooh, I wonder what Dr. Shark did. Like, what you doing, Dr. Shark? And she said it like,
he's no longer with us.
like it was something like he did was just like crazy. So I'm like, oh snap, I just got the tea, you know. But then I thought, and I was like, no. Dr. Shark told me to pull my healthy tooth out 2 years ago. Dr. Shark told me to take a great healthy tooth out my mouth to help with shifting. Y'all, so I just came at the dentist. It was only like a 15-minute talk. They gotta pull my tooth. I did get my tooth pulled. If you don't like missing tooth, probably just skip for it. But I got my tooth pulled. What if let's say this new doctor name is Dr. Well. What if Dr. Well don't know? What if Dr. Well was like, actually we need that tooth? I'm getting back. Traumatizing me, calm down. I understand you can leave some notes. Sherry got her tooth pulled. We are doing this. We're gonna do that. Her treatment is about two years. It look like it'll be 3 years. 2 years, and you know she got this shit. You can read some charts. I understand. But what if Dr. Will don't know? What if Dr. Will just do his own thing? Dr. Will shaving my teeth. Have you ever got your shave? Like, you know how you file your nails? He filed in between my teeth. You know how weird that felt? So I'm wearing Invisaligns for another 5 months as of right now. Y'all see my teeth, and this is how it looks. This is how my teeth look 27 months later. And I'm sick of Invisaligns. I'm ready to get it over with. I'm sick of having pain every Monday because I'm putting in new trays. No, don't get me wrong. I love that I'm able to get Invisaligns. I'm so grateful I'm able to straighten my teeth. I'm so grateful. But it's taking forever. I'm also ready to whiten my teeth. I want to whiten my teeth, but I can't because I have those buttons on my teeth. So if I whiten them and they take them buttons off, I think my teeth are going to be 2 different tones or 2 different colors. There's no point in me whitening around this button and then I take it off and it's looking crazy, you know? Because under the button it's not getting treatment, you know what I'm saying? So I'm ready for them to take them off, shave my teeth, you know, make it look perfectionist. I had braces before, and after they took the braces off, you know, they shape it, make it look real pretty. And I'm just ready for that. I am over it. They look good from like afar, and I'm so grateful for my journey. Because my teeth was looking jacked 2 years ago. But I'm so grateful for this beautiful smile, but it's just not there yet. But that's that. Next appointment is in May. And I give y'all an update after that. And that's going to be 29 months worth of treatment. 29 months of treatment. If you got any questions or concerns, I have other videos about my Invisalign update. If you ask a question, I answer it down below because we be cool like that. Oh, right. I forgot to mention my Invisalign don't even fit one of the tooth because the other tooth are so big. Hold on. Why am I so close? Anyway, look at this. That don't fit because these are so tall. There's so much space above. How do these teeth get so tall? Like, that pole tooth ain't getting no support, barely no support. Because these tall teeth, and how do they get so tall? Who knows? All right. But that's just my rant for these Invisaligns. I hope you appreciate it. They switched doctors on me, and this is how my teeth are looking 27 months later. 2 years and 3 months. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video. Peace.